Let's go. No clue out here in Palm Springs at a clothing store. Let's see what we find. Motor's no good. It's spinning really slow. There you go. I'm about to change this motor. Got the water hose cleaned in here. We got both compressors. Wash the coil. These things are filthy. But number one reason is that fan motor failed. Compressor was shutting off on thermal overload. So let's change this motor and see get this up and running. Out here in Palm Springs on the strip. Go people. Let's get it. There you go, people. Pull down the compressor. There's a hose right there. Wash the unit. Rewire the wires that were burned. Good to go. Good to repair heating and cooling. Palm Springs, California.